Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails.
Sorry, is this Uptown Nails?
Yes, this is Uptown Galleria.
Oh, hi. Yeah, this is Barbara Skis. I was calling to make an appointment.
Sure, when would you like to come in?
Tomorrow afternoon is for a gel pedicure. Is Brenda working?
Brianda gonna work start on Wednesday.
Oh, okay. Either Hannah or Ann then?
Hannah is not here anymore. She's staying home to take care of her parents. And Anna is not working tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, so Brianna or Ann, neither one are there tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. I have them on Wednesday.
I can't do Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just someone on tomorrow then, tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, what time? What time?
Like 2:30, 3 o'clock.
I can do 2:30. What would you like to get done?
Just a gel pedicure. And I'll need the old gel taken off.
Okay. Your phone number, please?
908-938.
Barbara.
Yes.
Okay, just pedicure only, right?
Yes.
Yes. I'll see you tomorrow at 2:30.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Hello, Roseanne. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Good. This is Catherine from Uptown Galleria Nails.
Yes.
I just want to clarify the appointment tomorrow with Tony and Ethan.
Right. Well, I'll be coming, but I don't think my daughter will. She's not feeling too good.
Okay, so you want to cancel your daughter's appointment?
The Ethan. Right.
Okay.
Cancel with Ethan.
Okay.
But keep mine with Tony. I'll be there at 4.
Okay. Thank you, Roseanne.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Do you have the reward account with us before?
I think so.
Try your phone number again. Maybe if you enter the wrong phone number, they will create another account. Yes. So 106 for you today, okay?
Okay.
Insert it here, please. Copy. Thank you, Abby.
All right, thank you.
Have a good week.
You too.
Thank you. May I see your ID, please?
That's my husband's card, but
Okay.
he's downstairs waiting on me.
Karen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can see the last name.
Yeah, same name.
Would you like to
Yeah, the tip.
Yeah, no. I mean, would you like to join our reward program? It will accumulate your points.
Sure.
Okay, just go ahead and tap on the screen. Altogether is 160, okay?
And then I want to do 15 for each girl. So do 30. So,
You want the copy?
please, yeah.
Okay. Thank you,
so
Karen.
much. You have a good day, and I'll see you in about 2
You
weeks.
too. And this is our call. You can call or text us anytime.
Yeah, and I'm gonna post pictures on. I'll tag you on Instagram.
Okay,
and
thank you so much.
Facebook. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye, Karen. Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails.
Hi, I was wondering if I could make an appointment for next Monday.
Sure, give me 1 second. Monday the 10th?
Yes.
Okay, what time would you like to come in?
Do you have like a 2 o'clock?
2 with anyone?
No. So who? I know that Tony does dip, but who's the other male that does dip?
Ethan and Joe.
Yeah. Oh, I don't remember which one it was. He did my nails last time.
Mm-hmm.
Is one of them older or younger?
I
I
can't
know it's
really
not
tell
Tony's.
because sometimes the age is older, but the look is younger. So,
I think.
can you describe how he looks like? Give
He
me 1
looks.
second.
Yes.
Give me 1 second, okay? Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails. Hello.
Hello?
Uptown Galleria Nails.
Hi, I'm sorry, is this Uptown Nail and Spa?
Yes.
Oh, hi. This is Wendy Granado. I was calling to see if I could make an appointment with Ethan for tomorrow.
Okay.
Any time after 4:30 would be great.
Okay, let me see. I only have 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Yeah, actually that should work. 4 o'clock should be fine.
Okay.
And I also need a pedicure.
Okay. Can I have your phone number, please?
Yes, 281-748.
Wendy. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow at 4 with Ethan.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for holding.
Yes.
So,
I think it's Ethan.
okay. And you want a dip powder?
Yes, and a regular pedicure.
Okay, your phone number, please?
832-9769.
Charlotte?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow at 2.
Next Monday.
I mean, next Monday, August the 10th.
Okay, yes.
Thank you, Charlotte.
Thank you,
Okay,
bye.
bye-bye. Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails.
Yeah, I have a 4:30 appointment. I'm in the parking lot. You want me to wait till 4:30 to come in?
What's your name?
Doreen, I have an appointment with Tony and Ann.
Okay, you can come in earlier.
Okay, all right. I'm coming now.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi,
Hi, Doreen. How are you?
I'm good. Exciting.
Yes, please. And please fill out this form for me, too. I'm gonna take your temperature, okay?
Please do.
96.9. Right here, please. You can write the temperature here.
Oh. 0.9.
Yes. It's good. And you can fill out this form for me, please. Right here.
How are you?
I'm good.
Cô này làm chung với Dẫn nha, bạn của bà Cheryl. Hả? Bỏ lên ghế ra.
That's why I didn't want to sit down. The challenge.
Okay, thank you. So you want dip for your nails, right? You want dip for your nails, right?
I've never had it, but that's what's that?
Cheryl have a dip.
Yeah, I don't want my nails to get skinny. Thin.
Okay,
Dip
okay.
is the best.
Dip is the best.
I want the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dip powder over here. And you want regular or gel polish on your toes?
I guess gel.
Gel, okay. Matching or no matching?
What's the dip?
Everything
Oh,
here is
okay.
dip. But you want matching color for
My
the
nails
toes?
and toes to match, yes.
Match? Yes. Okay. Everything in these swatches have matching color in gel.
Okay.
Okay? 400.
I'll let you put them back in there, Dad. Where they go? Where you get your face shield from?
We have it here.
How much are they?
This one is 12 and this one is 10.
I got one like the blue one.
You want this one? Oh, you got one?
Like that, yeah.
Okay, that's good enough.
Okay. So I go on now?
Yes, he's ready for you.
Okay.
Romina, you can go ahead and have a sit on table number 1, okay? The one that had the bowl ready. We're gonna be right with you. Hello, Uptown Gallery and Nails.
Hi, this is Debbie Bolden.
Hi,
And
Debbie.
I was calling to see if I could make a manicure for my dip nails and a pedicure.
Okay, when would you like to come in?
Do you have anything Wednesday?
Wednesday, what time?
Like 4:30, 5?
We can do 4:30.
4:30?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Okay, thank you. And I know it doesn't. I think the last time, whoever that was, they were both of them were good. Whoever.
Can I have your phone number, Debbie?
832-768.
Let me see if I have anything in the record. I don't. You remember who did your nails and toes last time?
Nikki did the manicure. Yeah.
Nikki?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Okay, Nikki and somebody for your pedicure.
Right.
Okay, thank you, Debbie.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
In September, let me see. Get there.
The 31st is gonna be exactly 4 weeks.
Is it a Monday though? I
Yes,
know.
it's Monday.
Oh, okay. We're good.
August 31st. Okay, what time would you like to come?
Let's say 4.
4?
Same people.
Okay. And your phone number, please, Doreen?
832-914.
Okay, I'll see you in 4 weeks at 4 o'clock with Tony and Ann.
All right. Thank
Thank
you, Catherine.
you. Bye-bye, Doreen.
Bye.
Have a nice week.
You too.
Everything's good with you?
Yeah,
Thank you.
nice, thank you.
Okay, go ahead and put in your phone number, please.
Okay.
If you don't have the reward account with us, you can enter your email address. You like the color?
I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's
For you,
very
45 today, okay? May I see your ID, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Alexandria.
Never see it.
Okay, thanks. Okay, go ahead and put in your phone number, please.
You know that person is like, oh my god, who ordered food for me?
I know.
And I'm embarrassed.
Okay, your total today is gonna be 55, okay?
I needed those things off of my fingers.
Thank you, Victoria. Copy?
No, I'm good.
Thank
Have a good day.
you. You too. Bye-bye. Hello, Uptown Galleria Nails.
Hello?
This is Uptown Galleria Nails. May I help you?
Yes, can I book an appointment for tomorrow at 10:30?
10:30? With anyone?
If Annie is there, I would like to have her for manicure. I have the Deep.
Okay, who?
Annie?
Anne? Anne is not here tomorrow. She's gonna be here on Wednesday.
Okay, no problem. Anyone's the best one.
Okay, can I have your phone number, please? Can I have your phone number, please?
954
Mm-hmm.
854.
Isabella?
Yes, and I want to do regular pedicure.
Okay. Thank you, Isabella. I'll see you tomorrow
Thank
at 10:30. Okay, bye-bye.